got right here 5 more next level knives. Let's see what we got right here. First of all, UTX 70 California. So it's made specially for California, and let's see the reason what they're talking about. You see how tiny that is, and look at the blade. It's like a little letter opener. So yeah, in California, I'm pretty sure that's the only OTF knives that is allowed. So pretty cute little unboxer. I like it. Pretty snappy. Look at that safety. It's a pull, and it's a really hard pull. So it's not so easy to just pull and open it. You really have to kind of grab it well and pull it open. So yeah, there you go. Tiny little letter opener right here. UTX 70 CA California. Is that what it stands for? Pretty sure. So yeah. What else we have right here? O knife. I think this is the same brand as Olight, like a flashlight. So let's unbox it. Let's see what's up with this coin knife. I guess the only way to kind of shake it off of it. Okay, there you go. There's a European, there's instruction. I love the presentation of this little box. Wow, easy to pull it off. Okay, how do you do it? Press it and flick it. That's it. So there is a button, there's a knife. So imagine this on your neck. So you press it. Okay, that's cool. So it's kind of like a gravity. When you press it, it falls out. Or you can just flick it. D2 steel, pretty affordable knife, but it's pretty awesome. Night claw, really cheap. So you just press it like that and open it. It is a quite fun coin neck knife. What do you guys think? Definitely love the presentation for sure. Not a bad knife. It didn't cost much at all. It's like under $50 as I remember. I don't really fully remember how much I paid for it, but I think it's like around $35 or something maybe. Okay, Mantis. Why was I on about Mantis? I had no idea. It's actually pretty cool knife brand. What we got right here? MU5B, something like that. There's no name on it. Not a good one anyways. So check out this knife. There's a belt clip, and I think this is rotatable. So you could put it onto your belt, whatever. You can even kind of connect it onto backpack, any kind of belt. And this right here, look at that, spinnable. That is one of a kind knife for sure. And to open a release, all you have to do is press a button. You hear that lock? You kind of have to press it to lock it. Press it and it locks in. There you go. I guess you just have to kind of press it pretty hard and it locks in. There you go. That's unique. So one more time, press, open, and then probably have to open it with 2 hands, and you have to kind of hold it with 3 fingers. One into the hole, second one right here, third one right here, and there's the rest. That's how you'll be holding it most of the time. Seems to be anyways. I guess I could hold it this way, not as comfortable. Very interesting knife, left-handed, just uncomfortable. MVX, never heard of that still, but I'm still learning. So you close it like that, you already put it away, press the button, lock it, and it locks in pretty good. Well, you gotta make sure you lock in all the way. That is definitely one of a kind knife for sure. Very interesting Mantis. I love whenever they make unique clips, unique mechanism knives. That's definitely one of them. And Mantis is actually good about that. They make a lot of unique knives. Anyways, I got right here Spyderco Doda CPM M4S. So yeah, I think this is exclusive by Blade HQ, and they were running it as like get it before it goes extinct or sold out. So what's so unique about it? It's not really a flipper, it has the ball, and you press on it and then you can flick it out. And you know the dodo bird that have been extinct. So yeah, very fun handle. Is it a G10 handle? Not sure. I know about that ball. You'd have to hold it with 2 fingers. It's pretty tight. No way it's a flicker. I guess you can grab it this way and flick it out, kind of. The best way to do it is honestly, because it's so tight, pull it with 2 hands. Yeah, it's not a flicker for sure. So you can just flick it this way maybe, but then it hits your fingers. It's a nice knife. The only way to flick it, just pull on the ball and flick it out. And you got it here fully serrated. Dodo. Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. So made in America, I guess. Beautiful. Really like that. Very comfortable too. So short blade, but thick, and a big enough handle to be super comfortable. Look like a bead. Big. Once they sell out, they actually sell for a lot more money on eBay. Because if people missed out on that purchase, they're willing to pay extra because it's a collector value. You know, like once it gets old, people want one of those. So they used to have one and they want to get another one. They lost it or broke it or get old, they want a new one. Anyways, there is some new brand I never heard of. Bestec knives. So stay lit. Is that what it says? Made in China. Very cool pouch. Bestec. I actually did hear it a few times. Yeah, that's cool. Very unique knife. It's actually a push knife. Boom. That's all. That's a fun way to open boxes and things like that. Take apart boxes. Little claw. And it's a frame lock. That is fun. Is there like a phone flipper? Yeah, you could open it with the phone flicker. But not as fun. I think the best way to open it is with the flipper right here. It kicks it out, but very, very little bit. This is a carbon fiber with blue handle. You see it? That's nice. Carbon fiber right here. M390, a really good steel. Ostap heel design. Hopefully I pronounced the designer good. Never heard about him, but I'm sure it's a pretty good one because that is a cool knife for sure. That is a fun thing to flip. Pretty small. Love it. Look at that. Just like boop, and it stops. So cool. Love the shape of it and everything. You can open it slowly too. Alright, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite.